Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits.
Let's break down this model answer for the Community Center email. If you need more time to review it, you can pause the video now to read the full text. This response successfully completes all three required tasks. First, the writer provides personal details, saying, "My full name is Alex Chen, and my membership number is." Next, the email explains the situation clearly, describing how the screen showed an "access denied" message. Finally, it proposes a specific time to fix the problem by asking to visit tomorrow afternoon around 2 p.m. The email is well organized. It starts with a polite greeting and a sentence explaining its purpose. The body paragraphs are logical, and it finishes with a formal closing. This structure makes the message easy for the manager to understand. The tone is respectful and appropriate for the situation. The writer uses simple connecting words like "when" to explain the order of events and "also" to give another choice. The vocabulary includes two helpful, slightly more advanced words: assistance, a formal word for help, and convenient, which means a time that is good for the manager. Let's break down this model answer for the community center email. If you need more time to review it, you can pause the video now to read the full text. Let's review this response supporting the new playground. If you would like to read the answer carefully first, feel free to pause the video now. This answer clearly completes the task. It begins by stating a preference for option A, the playground. It then gives two strong reasons to support this choice. The first reason is that a playground is essential for their physical health, and the second is that it will make the community more attractive to families. Each reason is explained in its own paragraph, making the response logical and easy to follow. The organization is excellent for this task. It has a short introduction, 2 body paragraphs for the main points, and a brief conclusion. The tone is polite and persuasive, which is perfect for a survey response. The writer uses simple linking words like firstly and secondly to introduce new points. This helps the reader follow the argument. The vocabulary also includes 2 effective stretch words: essential, which means absolutely necessary, and vibrant, meaning full of life and energy. Now, let's analyze the model answer that supports the community garden. You can pause here to read the full response if you need more time to review it. This response is effective because it clearly states a preference for option B and provides solid arguments. It presents 2 main points. First, that a garden is useful for people of all ages. And second, that it would help build stronger relationships. The writer supports these points with specific examples, such as saving money on groceries and neighbors sharing tips. This detail makes the argument much more convincing. The structure of the answer is very clear. It has an introduction stating the choice, a body paragraph for each main idea, and a concluding sentence. The semi-formal and positive tone is appropriate for communicating with the city. The writer uses connecting words like furthermore and for these reasons to guide the reader through the text. The response also includes 2 good stretch words: beneficial, which is a great formal word for useful or helpful, and collaboration, which means working together with others. Here's a practical tip for your own writing. Try to use specific examples. Instead of only saying a garden is good, mentioning that people can grow fresh vegetables makes your point stronger and more vivid.